All right, okay, folks. Today I'll be taking you through the full video tutorial on how to calculate the income tax, given a chargeable income based on the sum product Excel function or formula. Okay. Years back, I think I did a tutorial on how to do this by using the if and the minimum, and this whole formula is very complicated, I must say. So I try to do a simplified function or formula that you can get this same exact answer here without going through this whole trouble. Okay, so that's where the sum product comes in, and it's very simple. I must say it's very simple. By the end of this tutorial, you will get to understand it much better. Okay, so before we even go into the formula, there are some few things we need to do. Okay, so these are the tax rates per each level. Okay, and this is the cumulative chargeable income, and this is the chargeable income. Okay, so first you insert a column, okay, in between the chargeable and the cumulative. You can call it step down. It's just a name that I'm trying to give it. Step down cumulative chargeable income. Okay, step down. The reason why I'm giving this name is that this amount here will be brought a bit lower down, or a step lower, to aid our computation. Okay, so we can just copy this one, then we paste it here. Okay, then this part will start with what? A 0. So instead of it having that, the first being 319, the first is rather being 0, the next is being 319. That's to aid our computation. Okay, so once we've done that, we can also have to bring a row, okay, in between the heading and the first. Okay, a row, we can just adjust it in a way. This is also going to aid our computation in the calculation of marginal rates. Okay, so the marginal rate is more like the first, the second minus the first, the third minus the third, or the fourth minus the third, like that way. Okay, so now we can go into the formula to calculate. Okay, so equal to sum product. Okay, you bring your two minus signs. The two minus sign means that it's going to convert the series of true and false to 1 and 0 respectively. Okay, so you bring your bracket again, then you start with the first array. The first array is more like you bringing up a logic. Okay, the logic is that this one here, if this is greater than this chargeable income, okay, sorry, if it's greater than this chargeable income, bring the make it absolute. Okay, so we'll be using the step down cumulative chargeable income for this calculation. Okay, the cumulative, or the step down one. We're not going to use the chargeable income. Now we're using the cumulative chargeable income, but we're using the step down chargeable income. Okay, so first you say if D10, which is what this particular one here, which is the taxable income, that is after you've taken the SNIT and other things, or if suppose this allowance is greater than this range here, bracket, we close the bracket, then we come up. What we're saying is that then the marginal rates. Okay, so this rate here, make it absolute minus E2 to E7. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing here. What we're trying to do is that we're trying to calculate marginal rates. Okay, so this one here, this range minus that. Okay, So that was the second part of it. Then what happens? Then this year minus the range being absolute. Okay. Then we close the brackets. Then wait to enter. Okay, so you can see that given a taxable income of, let's say, 30,000 Ghana cedis, you have to pay a tax of 7,657.25. And the interesting thing is that this small formula here that we've created here is giving us the same exact result as this whole long formula that we see here. So we can just try something. We can just do something like 300. 300, and let's see how much tax we'll be paying. We are paying nothing, and even this side is giving us false because 300 is what is lesser. Okay, it's less than 319. So let's do 320. Supposing someone is earning a taxable income of 320, how much tax is the person supposed to pay? The person supposed to pay out. Is it 5 first verse? I think 5 first verse. Yeah. So let's just increase it. See that given the taxable incomes that we are actually keying, we are getting the same exact answer with the same exact decimal point or decimal amount. Okay, so this whole formula that we did here, which is good, which is let me say that it's more advanced in a way, but we can also do same by using this sum product, by using this simple Excel formula or function. So I may acquire the same results based on this information. So for those who want to do a payroll template, you can just place this one in a different sheet somewhere. You can even lock it. And as the tax rate changes per time, when the commissioner issues different tax rates, you can just adjust them here. Then you'll be getting your results as accurate as possible. Okay, so folks, this is a simple tutorial on how to calculate the payee or the income tax based on the taxable income. Okay, using the sum product Excel function. Okay, thanks and have a great day.